Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today, 2022, July the 7th. And how to live trade Forex today, we are going to find out the trades, find out the potential pairs in our Forex trading plan over here. Alright, CK 你好, Hubert, nice to see you here. Sabrina, right, thank you for coming in. And Cowboy Alan, Bradley, Trinette, Aiden, well, nice to see all of you here. Okay, so yes, yesterday was a good day again. All right, and I think everything is good. Okay, wow, so I think this is something that we are going to look out for, and what are the things that we are doing. I know we are doing the same old thing every day, and then I see that we have no reason that we should go out of our structure. Am I right? Okay, right. So yes, yeah. Today, yesterday was a bit a long day. I slept quite early, and that was about 10. About 9 in the night, in Germany time. Whoa, no, okay. So yes, okay. So let's burn up. Okay, let's burn it up, and let's get the energy back here. Reset our mind here. Okay, whatever profits that we had taken yesterday, we got to erase and come back here once again. All right, I know today everyone is in a high spirit. So yeah. So but then again, just bear in mind that we should be also looking out for consistency, okay, and discipline. All right, so that we won't fall into the trap of complacency. All right. Okay, give me the MT4, please. Thank you. All right. So yes. Okay. All right. Yeah. So now let's see, what do we have over here. Well, for Aussie CAD, let's take a look at Aussie CAD today. What do we have for Aussie CAD? First of all, Aussie CAD over here. All right. So today, yesterday have a slight move, but then again today we are still moving back. Moving back again to a retracement. So I guess we are going to test. We are going to test the door to the bull. So likely Aussie CAD, I'm not going to touch it today, right? And for this, okay, so let's take a look at Aussie franc over here. So same thing, there's a retracement today, although we are in the bear, but the retracement has started. So today, no way, okay, we are not going to touch this. Looking at Aussie franc, it looks like it's going to become a bull. So tentatively, I will be looking at this side here. Can you see this part here? Right, so this very likely is the door to the bull. So probably this may not be good. I would like to stay away from here and observe it tomorrow. All right, so Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Aussie yen has completed my mission here, and now having a retracement in this area. So tentatively, no. Okay, just stay away. So Aussie Kiwi, same thing. Aussie Kiwi still in the bull, running in the support. So no way we can do anything here. All right. So yep. Okay. So currently, okay, Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we are having a downward trend. Tested the support second try and third try over here, but it doesn't break. So even there's a lower resistance to retest this part here, it doesn't seem like it's going great. So as you can see, as you can see, this half of it is a half of the W. So another half of W is coming again. So it seems like we are having a double bottom here to go for a bull. So tentatively, it will still go for a buy right now. A retracement, we still have quite a fair bit before it actually turn into a bull market. So yeah, just observe it first since you are seller. Okay, so Euro Aussie, well, Euro Aussie, I guess we're going to be good. That I can see the Euro Aussie is going to retrace downwards, but this retracement, okay, is in the bull market. Okay, it's in the bull that is actually retracing downward to test the support. Okay, so tentatively, I will say that now this is the door to the bull. So it has been going up, higher support, and now coming down to retest. So at the moment, by looking at this Euro Aussie over here, I will say that now the retesting over here, it may come back down to retest, and then it will start to retrace upwards. Okay, so this is something that we need to pay attention to. May not be as good as what we thought. Okay, so something here that we need to take note that we are to be careful not to just rush into a trade. Okay, so yep, I'm going to move on since there is a bull. Okay, no for me. EUROCAD. Okay, EUROCAD, very obvious. We are still running down in the bull in the bear market. Am I right? So over here, as we can see, we are still running down in the bear. Look out for a resistance and support to see if there's a chance for us to sell. So to look out for the support and resistance over here in this H4, first of all, identify the situation first. So we can trade lower, lower, high over. As we can see here, we can see over here, as we can see right down here, okay, the support is very near. And the resistance over here, okay, we are running back down to this part here. Okay, so we can see one tested and it can reject it down. So very likely over here, what am I looking at is that, since it's in the bear, but the gain is that so near to the support, there's no way I can sell. Since that's the case, then in that case, I shall wait, okay, for it to break the support first. After breaking the support, okay, then I think that will be good. Okay, then I will start to sell. Okay, so how am I going to sell it in this case? Okay, then I will only sell when the price actually breaks below the support. Then after that, with a new resistance below the support level, then I will start selling. Okay, well, that's for EUROCAD. But EUROCAD a bit tough, I would say. Okay, like I can see over here. All right, so the support is also quite, you see, it's actually quite near, about 10 over pips. So tentatively, by looking at this, it seems it's going to retrace again. Well, I'm not gonna put this into my selling list first. Okay. All right, so let's move again. All right, Fab Ni Hao. Okay, so yes, Euro Yen is something that we have been observing. We have been keeping a close watch with this Euro Yen. Since we have been selling through here to here, we have actually accomplished about 450 pips. Okay, we have about 450 pips already. So this is something that we take a look at this. Are we going to continue the selling? Right. And I don't really encourage a selling today. Okay, I don't encourage a selling today. In fact, I'm still waiting for another set of selling below this area. Okay, so there will be another profitable space. Okay, below the area here. So just be patient. Okay, just be patient before we actually go into this. All right. Okay. Hi Roger, nice to see you here. Okay. All right, Iluna. Yes, is this a podcast? This is not just a podcast. Okay, I'm doing a live to show everyone how I actually analyze out. Okay, and yes, okay. So this is a part of a trading. Okay, before we start trading, usually we will need to actually analyze out the chart. Okay, to pick up the potential pair, and you just stay focused on those pairs that you have picked up. Okay. All right, so come back again in Euro Kiwi. We are in the bull. The bull is retracing downwards. Wow, it seems like 100 over pips. Wow, is it a miss? No, I don't think it's a miss because since this is a retracement in the bull market, it may be just a pullback. So I will not take this as a loss. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It is not a miss anyway. All right, so if I'm a seller, I'm keeping my structure very clearly and strictly to selling. So this is in the bull is buying, so no for selling. Okay, so let's move. Euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Right, euro dollar over here, we are in the bear. As you can see, the trend is still moving downwards. The bear is now still going very strongly to 1.02. Okay, so 1.024 for euro against the dollar. Seems like it's going to be 1-to-1. Okay, so yeah, of course, by looking at this here, okay, and we are now having a support over at this point. If you are looking out for resistance and support, support is this area and the resistance can be this area. Okay, so we can keep a lookout at this. Okay, for this area, the area of resistance over here, from here to here. Okay, from here to here, this is the area of resistance. So I guess for me, if I'm going to sell euro dollar, okay, I will be waiting for euro dollar to test on the resistance first before I start selling. Okay, why is that so? It's because right now, if we can see from the trend over here, the situation in H4 over here is actually a trending down market. Am I right? So the market is trending down. So market is trending downwards now. I will be looking out for a resistance to sell. Okay, then where am I going to sell? This is the resistance. All right. So this is the resistance that I'm going to sell. So yeah, euro dollar, I'm going to put this into my selling list. Okay, so I see that there's a chance that we can actually go for a selling. All right. So yeah, I'm going to put this. Okay, euro dollar, but this may happen on the second half of the day where the UK market starts. And the US market starts, probably there may be another swing. Okay, so yeah, but just take note that there's still no signs of reversal. Okay, so I think that's still good. Okay, just hang on with it. All right, so just hang on first. Okay, no, not now. All right, guys. So in this channel, so remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that later on in the UK hour we can come live together to have a live trading together, share together, and also take the profit together. All right. Okay, so remember to ring up the bell so that when I go live, you will receive the notification and you can catch us right on time. Okay. All right. So Pound Aussie over at this point here, Pound Aussie, we are still in the bull. That actually now the bull is struggling. It's not moving very strongly and coming back for a retesting now. So at this point of time, okay, it may come back to retest the support over here. All right, so this is where I will be looking at maybe tomorrow, all right, or maybe later on the second half of the day, that it may comes below this area. Okay, then you will start to sell. All right, so Pound Aussie, tentatively, I will still not put it into my selling list because actually a reverse, not reverse, a retesting of the bear. So we are still in the bull. So since I'm seller, I will not take this. Okay. Pound CAD. Okay, let's take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are in the selling mode now. We are in the bear. So today, what are we looking out for? Okay, the bull and the bear over here is actually fighting quite fiercely, as you can see. Right, struggling over here to break the support. Okay, so over at this point here, you can see this is the support over here. So we are right at the middle. It's like nothing go our way. So this is something like it's not going to be easy. But then again, I'm going to wait for it to break the support here. After breaking the support with a new resistance below, then I will start trading. Okay. Alternatively, I will wait for it to go up to test the resistance. Then I start selling. If not, then I will have a no-go. Okay, so Pound CAD, I will still put into consideration into my list. Okay, so that I will continue the selling if the chance here. Okay, so Pound franc over here, right? Okay, Pound franc started to retrace and going to test on our resistance at this level. So at this level, we have a retesting and hover around the support. We are very near. The gap is very small, correct? So small. It's about 35 pips. So by retesting on this resistance, will it make good that it will start to sell? Probably it will not. Okay, probably it will not. I will see that this resistance don't seems like moving anywhere. Okay, telling me that it is strong enough. Right. So probably this resistance, I will see that maybe here. Okay, it may be over here. Okay, this may be the resistance level, so that after that we can see a very clear head and shoulder is coming in. All right, so that after that maybe we can start selling from here to here. So it's okay. It's okay to wait for a little while, because as we can see, if this is actually escalating up to test the resistance up there, and then from there, okay, all the way down to the support, we have about 80 pips. So the more it pull back, okay, the more pips that it's more potential for us to collect. Okay, so in that case, right, this may also give us another good chance to actually to sell from the resistance. Okay, so yeah, pound franc, yes, just be patient. Okay, just wait for it to test on the resistance, then we will start selling from there. Okay, right, that's for pound franc, right? That will be in my list. Okay, so once again, we are coming back into pound yen, right? Pound yen. Okay, guys, pound yen, we have been selling 100 over pips, 100 over pips for the past 2 days. Okay, I guess most of you have collected a total of about 300 pips. So I guess this is something that we are looking out for. Completed our mission here today, but then again, this is not something to be happy about. Okay, the happiness it was yesterday. It was past. Okay, so then now we are looking out for something is that, right, the resistance over here. Okay, we are going to look out for a resistance that is going to continue the trending market to sell down. All right, to sell down. So at this point of time, okay, at this point of time, the support, as we can see, is still here. All right, so as for the resistance, okay, the resistance level, okay, this level slightly up here. I'm still waiting for this level. Okay, the day before I was waiting for this level, and it was here traveling upwards, and it hits on the resistance. Then it started to retrace downwards. So now it has another pullback, over a little bit of pullback here. It's swing down. So now, right now, it seems like the trading market is over. Okay, the trading market is over. So now we are coming for a double top here. So at this point here, all right, I'm looking out for a new resistance. All right, a new resistance to coming back for a new cycle of selling. Then I will go for selling. If not, then very likely I'm not going for any selling yet. Okay, so 163. Let me see. Okay, 163. Oh, okay. There may be another one. No. Okay. So yeah. So let's wait for pound yen to retest this resistance first. Okay. Then before we take action. Okay. So tentatively, by looking at this point here, okay, we may be looking out for selling. However, okay. However, we also need to pay attention that this may also be a reversal. Okay, so just pay attention to this area here. Once, okay, if H1 can break through, come back to retest the resistance as a support with a buying signal, give it up, it's gone. Okay, so pound yen is actually right now at this point of time is at the verge. Okay, it's at the verge of turning to bull. Okay, turning for a retracement, not bull, a retracement, or it may continue the selling. All right, so tentatively I will still say that we may still have a chance to sell. Okay, but it depends largely on how it reacts over at this price here. Okay, so pound yen we can still pay attention to. All right, as I can see, the higher support is moving. Higher support tested the resistance. Higher support once again test the resistance. Resistance has been tested once, okay, tested twice. Currently, it's the second time over here. All right. So will it be a point that it will get the support will the resistance will get broken? Okay. So at this moment, it seems like it's still testing to break because we have a higher support, higher lows towards the resistance. Is a sign of buying, a sign of strength to buy and to break the resistance. But then again, it's still hovering here. It seems like the resistance still stands. So at this point, well, probably I will still watch it and having a glimpse of hope that it will still come down for selling, so that I have a chance to enter for a bit. Okay. So yep, but it's at the verge. So once it break out ahead above, then we will forget about this. Okay. So yeah, that is for pound yen. All right. So yeah, pound yen. Then again. just wait for it. Okay, so not now yet. So pound kiwi. Okay, so pound kiwi, let's wait for this. Pound kiwi, what are we looking out for? Pound kiwi. So pound kiwi over here, we are in the bull. The bull has started. Okay, sorry, the bull has started. And so sorry. I accidentally pressed this okay, so yeah. Hang on, later on I shall continue. Okay, I shall continue. Alright, so that rest of you hang on with this. All right, okay, so pound kiwi, no, okay, it is still in the bull retesting the support, so no way. Okay, euro, okay, let me retype it again. Euro, pound cat, and pound franc, pound yen. Okay, so pound kiwi, no. All right, okay, so pound dollar. Right, pound dollar over here. Right now, pound dollar, we are still in the selling. Good, we are in the bear. So tentatively, by looking at this, we are in the bear, but is there a chance for us to go for a selling? Okay, so over at this point here, as we can see very clearly, the resistance is actually right at this point. So we are actually moving towards the resistance. All right, we are moving towards the resistance right now. So I guess it is still good. It is still moving steadily. Okay, so just wait for it to test on the resistance first. Then we will start selling from the resistance. Okay, so but for pound dollar is actually a retracement trading. So guys, please be aware that this is a retracement trading, and I think this should be one that we should be coming to test the resistance first before we take action. So after it tested the resistance over here. Okay, with H1 RD here. Then when it tested, it started to have a selling signal. Okay, a selling signal, a green and red candle coming in. All right, we are going to sell, but where is the support? Okay, the selling will reach the white line here. Okay, about 60 pips. Okay, the support over at this point, right, about 60 pips. So just give yourself some time to wait for this to pull out for a bigger space. All right, without breaking the resistance, it comes back, then we will have a selling. Okay, we have a good chance for about 60 pips. All right, that depends on how it moves on the white line later on. Okay, it may moves up and close up the gap, that the number of profitable pips may reduce. Okay, so just pay attention to this. Okay, so pound dollar, yes, I will still put it into my watch list over here. And this point here, and we are going to put this and monitor. Okay, so good, looks good, but we just need a little bit of patience. But anyway, patient, when you give the patient will definitely pay you. Okay. All right, so dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. So over here, dollar CAD, as we can see, all right, dollar CAD over at this point, it had a little bit of impact because of yesterday the FOMC meetings, correct? So is there a very big impact over that? Not really, okay, because tentatively the impact is not that big, and it is not showing a big sign of selling off or any weakening of the dollar so much. No, not yet. Okay, so dollar CAD over here at this point, all right, I will still be looking at the point that it is coming for selling, but not yet. Okay, it is still not there yet. So at this point, tentatively, dollar CAD, if I'm going to sell, all right, if I'm going to sell for this dollar CAD, I would say that there may be a chance. Okay, there may be a chance that by looking at this, okay, the resistance is actually up here a bit far. It's already started to sell, and actually now we are coming in for the support. As you can see, support level over at this point. So will there be a chance to sell off from the support over here? If it breaks the support, I would say there will be a very good chance. Okay, there will be a very good chance. But also, once again, please pay attention. Okay, please be very tactful with this dollar CAD, because ultimately, currently, this move, we are still on the support. Okay, dollar CAD, we can sell. Okay, but make sure it breaks the support first. After breaking the support with a retesting of the support, and it's not breaking back upwards, okay, then we will have a selling signal over here. All right. So currently, I will just dollar CAD just stay aside first, but still we may still have a good chance to sell, but maybe later on the second half of the day. Okay, so just be patient. All right. Okay, so dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. So dollar franc over here. Okay, dollar franc, we are in the bear. Okay, we're in the bear after the pullback, the retracement. So dollar franc seems like we are meeting up with the resistance over here. Yes. Okay, yesterday we have tested the resistance and today we are coming back for selling. So it's a good chance. However, it's going to be there's a lot of support along the way. So currently, as I can see, I'm still waiting for this to disturb the support level. Okay, and break the support level with a new resistance below, then we will be able to sell. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, so tentatively, I'm going to say that we have a good chance. Okay, but the support have to be break first. Okay, all right. So dollar franc, I'm going to put this in watch list today. All right, and let's move on to dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. Yes, Roger. Okay. Okay. I will come to that later. Okay. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Are we going for a selling? I would say that tentatively still no. I would say that selling of this today by looking at this. Okay, it should have a sign of selling. But then again, I will say that tentatively, the resistance has been tested. And now from the base of the support here, we have a higher support, we have another higher support, and now today may be the time that is building up a higher support. Even it is not building up a higher support, we are only left with about 17 pips to reach the support level. Okay, so currently I will not suggest, a selling for dollar yen at this moment. It is not very promising. Okay, yes, indeed, it is not very promising. So currently I won't sell dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, I will not be having a sell. Okay, so yep, let's move on. Okay, I know. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin, we are looking out for this. Now we are moving towards the 20. Okay, so 20 is still there's still some struggling, right? So I guess we have already heard the news about the coins and the stable coins in relations to this ETF. So I would prefer to hang on for a little while first. Okay, so tentatively 21 is 22 is possible, but then again I will not take a chance. I'm still waiting for 17. Okay, I'm still waiting for 17. Right, what if the 17 don't come? Okay, then we will look out for another higher price to buy in. All right. Okay, so tentatively Bitcoin, I will not be touching it. All right. Yes. Okay, so as for gold trading at this point here, yep. Yes, indeed. Yesterday in my live session, okay, I think there's one guy, something video, okay, by the name of something video, creative video, I think so. All right. So, and was asking me about this goal. All right. So yesterday, as we were at this point here about 1780. Right, about 1780, I was saying that there's one support over here. If this is going to break this 1780 price, we are swinging down to 1724. Okay, so 1724, yes, yesterday because of the JOLT drops, okay, then we actually have a good chance over here that is swing down. But of course, when they swing down over here yesterday, all right, the low was about 1736, which has not come to 1724, all right. So at this point of time, this level, like I said, we always work on the 25% above. Right, when I work on the 25% above, yes, it really hits on the 1736, right? So but today, okay, what we are looking out for is that will it come back for a retesting? Will it come back for a retesting of the main support that main target price that I'm looking out for? All right, so tentatively I will say, like I said yesterday earlier on, okay, during my live session in the UK hour, okay, I was saying that you know, there may be a fall, okay, but along the way to reach this destination of 1724 or 1725, right, there may be some pullbacks, there may be some retracement, okay, then just hang on with that. look out for a selling opportunity, then we will continue to sell to reach the 1724. May even go lower. All right, it may even go lower. Okay, so in times to come, definitely for gold, selling is highly possible, and the forecast is actually, the forecast for this actually is lower than this 1725. All right, it's still looking at lower than 1725. But it's just that now we are having a pullback. So we are having a pullback, then just leave it aside. All right. Okay, great. Okay, so yes, coming to the end of this session, let's see what do we have. Let me sum up for this. All right. So, yep. Okay, so let me sum up this. We have what is this? Sorry. Okay, we have okay, we are going to sell euro dollar, pound CAD, pound franc, pound yen, pound dollar, dollar franc. All right. Yes. All right. Okay. So guys, just pay attention to all these currency pairs that you need to sell at the resistance. Make sure you have tested and the resistance is not breaking. Coming back for a selling, then we shall enter for a selling. And always look out for the availability of the space before you grab your profits. Okay. All right. So once again, okay, smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I shall see you in the UK hour later on to live trade together. Okay, and we shall experience this session so that everyone can benefit from that. Okay, right. Thank you guys for coming into this session. Thank you so much for your support, and Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub shall wish you good luck in your trading, and see you later in the UK hour. See you.